Hello, this is my solution to the battleship fire detection problem. So in this problem, this is a little bit different than the regular battleship game. In the regular game, so it is usually 1 by n, so it can be either this way or horizontally. But in this problem, the ship can be in any shape. That is, it can be L shape or circle, similar to, or rectangular, and so on. So this is, although it seems that it is battleship fire detection, but it is more similar to number of islands problem on the lead code. On the number of islands, we have this one. For example, in here there are two islands. So this is one island and this is two islands because they are not connected to each other. On this one, so for example, in here, if this was a 1, this would be considered one island because the diagonally it is also connected to neighbor to each other. But that is not the case in here. I made it just so make a little bit easier. That is, so this is, so this L shape is one, so one of them. So if this is, for example, 1, this wouldn't be considered as a part of this ship. So I use recursion in here. The idea is, if I hit here upper left corner, that will be, so if you look at the test cases, these test cases, if it is upper top left corner, then it is miss because it is 0. If it is this one, for example, if it is 1, so I make it 2. 2 means this cell has been hit. If it is 2, then let's say if it was 2 and then I fired in here, then it would say hit, already hit. Okay, but if it is 1, then we make it 2, but also I check all the neighbors to see if this was the last unhit cell in this thing, in this ship, and then I make it sunk. And in here, so let's say I fire the bottom left corner. This will be 2. I will say hit in here because I check and there is unhit cell remaining. So because this was not the last let me say alive part, then this is hit. So if I run this, then it says miss, sunk, hit. So let me also debug this. So if I do this and then debug that, debug console. Okay, so we already have the miss, and then so this one we are targeting the top right corner, which is this one. So this will be sunk, and then I say is alive. This one is alive, but initially is this target? Because is this target? Yes, this is the first part, and then I just continue. So in here, if there is a default value, in the next iterations, I am not passing anything. That means if they see that they are 1 or 2, we know that this is not the where we fired in the first place. These are just the neighbors, just to differentiate it. And if I go here, so this is to check if we are within the board, and then I say is this 1? So yes, it is 1. So that means we are targeting in here. Yes, it is 1. Is this target? Yes, this is target, and we need to make this 2. If let's say this was we fired here and then we are here, if I check this, If this is 1, that means the ship, although we hit here, but the ship is still floating. So we say it is still alive. So it is not, it is still alive. And then we would just return right away. So in here, yes, this is target. And then I keep going. And then is it 2? Yes. And then, so let me just forward. Okay, yeah, so this is how that works, and after that it just works. So if I run this, okay, sunk. So and then the last one will be hit. Okay, so this is all. Thank you.